Does ISB have a round 3? Is it worth applying in round 3? Should we go for ISB round 3 intake? These are questions which must be on the top of your mind now as an ISB applicant, and we'll explore aspects and decision making around the ISB round 3 application process through this particular video. Does ISB have a round 3? Yes, definitely ISB has a round 3 application deadline, which is very close now. For this year, it is 26th of Jan 2025. So if you're planning to apply to ISB for the 2025 intake, now is the time to plan and to decide that you should be ready with your application by 25th of January 2025 for the round 3 application cycle. So what is so typical about round 3, or what is so dreaded about round 3 applications? The first thing that you will hear commonly is that the number of seats are limited. Such a lot of admits have already been given out. You don't have a chance. You definitely have a chance. There are admits in round 3, so there's no need to worry about that. However, there are different and very specific criteria that you need to look at when you are planning to apply to round 3. We'll come to that very shortly, but definitely the seats are limited. Having said that, it is not that you don't have a chance. You definitely have a chance if you have a strong application. So that comes brings me to the second point, which is strong credentials are required if you're planning to apply to round 3. It is not that you can get into ISB in round 1 or round 2 with weaker credentials. It is just that it becomes very competitive. The whole process is very competitive throughout the year. If you're planning to apply to round 3, just don't put in your application for just for the sake of it that you'll miss this particular year. Be very sure that you have a very strong candidature to present, which will outweigh the rest of the negatives of, let's say, limited seats or the timing, etc. around it. Is round 3 right for you? Yes, definitely round 3 will be right for you if you have the right profile, if you have worked on your profile, you have worked on your GMAT score, and you're pretty sure that this is the best score that you can get, then definitely round 3 is going to be right for you. Is it worth applying in round 3? It is definitely worth applying in round 3 if you have worked on your GMAT score and you have compiled your work experience in the essays, put together a strong application for yourself. It is also important for you to decide whether it is worth applying to round 3 or not on the basis of the career progression that you are looking at for the next few months. Now you are sitting in January, and let's say the next round of applications will start. The round 1 will be sometime in September next year. Now, from now up till September, do you see a lot of things moving in your career? If yes, then definitely this is a good time to just wait it out and apply in round 1 with a stronger profile, with a stronger work experience. If you're pretty sure that you're going to get access to a better range of projects or more challenging projects which will definitely add to your leadership skills, then it is a good idea to wait it out. The third reason is strategic timing. If you think that you have a strong application now versus whether you'll have a stronger application next year, can you improve on the GMAT score? Can you get access to more leadership opportunities? What are the things that are missing in your profile right now with vis-a-vis presenting a strong candidature to ISP? If any of these questions worry you now, then it is better to work on these points and then submit in round 1. Otherwise, you can definitely submit your application in round 3. Another misconception is that let me apply to round 3, just in case something doesn't work out, I can always reapply. Yes, you can definitely reapply, but putting a hasty application in round 3 just with the comfort of being able to reapply in round 1, make sure that you know that the process is heavily competitive now and it is not easy even for reapplicants. So if you are planning to just reapply next year and take a chance now, it is absolutely fine, but make sure that as a reapplicant you have to present a much stronger profile. You have to be able to present, let's say, a higher GMAT or a GRE score as well. Try and work on different aspects. A lot of times we see people submitting just the previous essays, not working on the GMAT scores, submitting the same GMAT scores, and going ahead with their applications. It probably might not work now because the application process throughout the MBA programs has become heavily competitive, and you need to be able to work on these things to communicate how you are a stronger applicant the next time. So, should you go for a round 3 application? Yes, you can go for a round 3 application depending on your answers to these three questions. First is assess your profile, evaluate your GMAT score or your GRE score. Make sure that this is the strongest score that you can apply with. In case you still see that there is scope for improvement and you can apply with a stronger score in, let's say, another 2 3 months, then it is better to get that score and then also parallelly work on your leadership achievements as well as the experiences that you can get hold of to enhance your work profile as well. The same thing comes in that right now you are at the end of the work experience cycle for this year. Towards March or April, a lot of new opportunities will open up in every organization just because of the promotion cycle, being timed accordingly. If you think that there will be more good things that you can talk about and a stronger profile that you can apply with, it is a good idea to wait it out as well. Totally depends on your particular individual assessment of your GMAT score, your work experience, and the achievements or the leadership experiences that you will get access to. Second is timing. So, round three definitely has lesser seats that you can apply for. Again, there are admits in round three. There is no problem absolutely in applying to round three. Just weigh it against the round one next year or the round two next year. If you think that you will have a better profile by round one or round two next year, it is best to apply with a more competitive profile. The ISB application process is heavily competitive now. People are coming in prepared with a lot of good credentials. Make sure that you are weighing it out and also presenting your best foot forward. Third is prepare thoroughly. Your application must be top notch. Just for this fear of losing out on this year's application opportunity, don't put up, just half done essays or apply in a rush. Don't put up a hasty application. If you think that you need more time to introspect on your stories, to work on the essays, then it is always good to wait it out and apply in the next round. So, based on these things, you can decide whether you want to apply in round three this year or round one or round two next year. So, let me summarize the answers that we have discussed up till now. Is it worth applying in round three? Yes, it is definitely worth applying in round three to ISB. You must be very sure of the assessment that you have done about your profile, your preparation, and the next steps forward. How are the next few months lined up for you? If you think this is a good time and you are very well ready right now, then please go ahead and put up your application. Should you go in for a round three intake? Is there anything to fear about? I don't think there's anything to fear about. There are admits in round three. If you have a strong application, if you have a competitive presentation of your profile, you should definitely go in for round three. So the first step that you need to take after this particular, to answer this particular question for yourself is do a thorough self assessment. In case you need any help with the self assessment or need a profile evaluation, feel free to get in touch with us. Plan your timeline. It is hardly a month that you will get to apply to ISB round 3. The deadline is 26th of Jan 2025. So decide and plan and start preparing your application accordingly. And in case you need any help with your ISB essays, your application, or ISB interview, feel free to get in touch with us at CoLSB. So all the best, guys, and let us know in case you have any queries. Drop them in the comments.